Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your phone already uses Face Unlock. This is the security backbone. Once done, update WhatsApp and grant camera and biometric permissions so the app can use system authentication. Now open WhatsApp, tap Settings, then Account and Privacy. You're initiating WhatsApp's app lock flow rather than training a new face model inside WhatsApp. The app leverages your device's biometric system. Follow these initial steps now, so the next screen will offer Face ID or Face Unlock options. Once in Privacy, find Screen Lock or App Lock and tap it to begin. Then choose Face ID or Face Unlock when prompted. WhatsApp defers to the phone's registered face data, so you don't rescan here. Make sure you confirm the biometric prompt so WhatsApp records the preference. Next, pick an auto lock delay that fits your workflow, immediately for maximum privacy or 15 minutes for convenience. If offered, require authentication to show notifications. That prevents message previews from displaying without your face. To finish, lock the phone or switch apps and then open WhatsApp to verify the face prompt appears and unlocks the app. If the face unlock fails, make sure device-level face authentication is enabled and working. Open Device Settings, Biometrics Face, and re-register your face if lighting or angles were poor. Also, check camera access is allowed for system biometrics. If problems persist, enable a strong PIN or passcode inside WhatsApp or your OS as a reliable fallback, and test again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.